Good morning, children. So let's start with our social class. Please get your social content books, children, and turn to page number 48. So today is the last topic in our block 7, using maps, okay, which is scale. The last topic is scale. So let's start reading, children. Scale. The scale of the map tells us about the actual size of the area shown in the map. A map shows a large area on a small piece of paper. For example, we can find a map of the world in a book, but the world is not that small. To make a map, the size of a large area is reduced in such a way so that the distance between the two places on the map tells us the actual size between the same two places on the ground. So what it is telling? See, we can't represent the whole world or a large area on the paper, isn't it? So to make it simpler, to draw the map easily, the distance between two places should be measured. Yes, so we can't put the same measurement of the ground onto the paper. It's impossible. So what they have done, they have reduced the scale. For example, they'll consider like 1 kilometer is equal to 1 centimeter. So the distance between two places is 1 kilometer. So in 1 centimeter, they'll mention that the distance between the two places is 1 kilometer, but the size on the map will be 1 centimeter only, but the actual size will be 1 kilometer. Okay, children, if the distance between two places is 20 kilometers, so they mention it as we have given 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. So instead of 20 kilometers, they'll take a distance of 20 centimeter and mention those two places. So with that, on the scale, after drawing everything, at the bottom they'll mention as scale. What is the scale? As the distance between two places is in kilometers, we have converted into centimeters. In this way, they'll change the distance between the two. But when you see the scale on the map, you can understand the actual distance between the two places. Okay, children, that is about the scale. When a map is drawn, not drawn to scale, it is called a sketch. If scale is not mentioned, they have normally drawn a map, then it is called a sketch. Okay, children, that is about your scale concept. So I have given you the keywords in your daily schedule, children. Please write those keywords in your classwork and homework and complete the volume book. Okay, children, so from tomorrow I'll be giving you the question answers. Please write those question answers in your classwork and homework and learn those question answers, spellings, skill sheets, whatever I'm giving for this block. Okay, children, so in the next class I'll meet you with a new block. Okay, so bye, children.